In this easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add marquee effect on Shopify. You can add like sliding announcement bar, as you can see here. I just added this as an example, add sliding announcement bar. Now you can make this bigger if you want, or you can make it smaller. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can do this. Of course, you can change the text to whatever you want. For example, welcome to our store. And as you can see, it works perfectly. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step. Okay, so first thing you need to do is I'm going to close all of this. Now you just need to go to your online store. Okay, just log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. Now after that, you just need to click on online store here. After that, you want to click on three little dots next here to customize. Click on three little dots, then click on edit code. By the way, we will add just some code here, nothing complicated here, it's just a simple code. Now what I want you to do, guys, you just need to go to the description of this video, then click on a link where you can just copy the code. Okay, so yeah, here is how you do this. You just need to click here, it says sections. Okay, here sections, click on this arrow. Now as you can see, you will be able to see many files here. Now you just need to click on announcement bar.liquid. Now what you need to do is you want to remove this whole code, select it from the start here, just highlight all the tag, all the code, and then remove it. Okay, just remove it. Now after that, you want to go to the description, like I said, just copy this code. Now you will be able to see this page. Now enter the marquee here, select the code from style to the bottom, highlight everything, and then copy the code. Okay, right click, then click on copy, go back, and then you want to enter here the whole code here where it says 1, Ctrl V or right click, and then click on paste, and then click on save. Now as you can see, now you want to go to your own Shopify. I'm going to log into my Shopify store, and you will be able to see a black bar, which you can change the color to whatever color you want. I'm going to click here. As you can see, you will be able to see now this black bar here. Okay, now you can make it even bigger if you want. Okay, you can make this black bar here bigger if you want by adding a new code, by just going to, like, depends if you want, just go to again to online store. Sorry, you just need to go to online store. Of course, I'm going to show you how you can add the text here. Just give me a few seconds. Now if you want to make this bar a little bit bigger, just go to online store, then click again on three little dots next to customize, then click on edit code. Now after that, you want to go to, again, you want to like find here theme.liquid, enter layout, just click on layout, and then click on theme.liquid. Now here you want to press anywhere in the screen, and then click on Ctrl F. Now after that, you want to search here for body tag. Okay, just keep searching. I'm going to show you the file. Just keep scrolling down. This is the code, body tag class. As you can see here, this is the code. Okay, or just search for body tag like this. Okay, click enter, you will be able to find it. Okay, like this. Now this is the code. Now as you can see, I'm going to move all the way to the right, and then click on enter. Now I want to make space between the first text and the last text, which is tag a class equal. Now you just need to enter the code here. This is the code. This is the code you need to enter. Okay, as you can see, just copy it and then paste it here, and then click on save. Now as you can see, this is the bar before, and now I'm going to reload. It's going to look a lot bigger. Okay, now what you need to do is you want to go now to your Shopify, and you want to click on customize. Again, just click on online store, click customize. Sorry. Okay, just click on customize like I said. Now you want to click on the marquee text here, the home page. You can also click it in the header. For example, here, the header, I'm going to click here on mark text. click on add text. Now you can add any text you want. Just click on the text here. You can change it to whatever you want. New code, for example, and then click on save. Make sure you click on save in the top. That's it. Now if you click here on mark, as you can see, so as you can see in the header, you can always add here, add text, and then you can add multiple here too. As you can see, welcome to store. In the marquee text, you can change this. I'm going to change this again to the same. I'm going to click here on, for example, welcome to a new store. As you can see, you have now two. As you can see, click on save. Okay, now like I said, you can add two here. You can also remove this one if you don't want. Enter the header. As you can see, you can click on text here, the header, click on it and click on text, and then you can change this to whatever you want. Okay, so that's how it works. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, by the way, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Should just let me know in the comments your questions, and I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial. By the way, the code will be available in the description.